Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making this video due to popular demand. After the last video I uploaded where I talked about cheap, safe and effective lightening lotions to lighten or brighten your skin, I got loads of requests from my subscribers that I make a video on good lotions for dark skinned or caramel skin tone ladies. So you asked for it, now you have it. The first lotion I'll be reviewing is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer. This lotion works to fight the signs of early skin aging like blotchiness and brown spots. This lotion also contains SPF 15 to help defend your skin against sun damage. Please take note that SPF 15 is not sufficient to protect your skin, especially in a hot climate. SPF 30 and above is highly recommended. What I'm trying to say here in essence is that you should still go ahead and apply your sunscreen even after using this lotion. This lotion also helps to even out your skin tone and skin texture, thereby revealing a naturally radiant looking skin. The Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer contains soy complex, which visibly transforms dull and uneven skin tone into a brighter and more radiant skin. This lotion costs between 7,500 naira to 8,500 naira, which is about $20 to $24. The next lotion I'll be reviewing is the Dark and Lovely Even Radiance. The Dark and Lovely Even Radiance is a 24-hour moisturizing lotion with unifying lemon, which helps to restore and even out your natural skin tone. Consistent application of this lotion will leave your skin durably nourished, repaired, soft and radiant as ever. This lotion has a non-sticky texture or consistency, so it instantly absorbs into your skin after application. This lotion costs between 1,500 to 2,500 naira, which is about $4 to $7. The third lotion on my list is the Olay Quench Ultra Moisture with Shea Butter. This body lotion is formulated to go beyond just moisturizing the skin. It works within the skin's surface layers to nourish and improve the skin's barrier over time. With consistent use, your skin will become noticeably soft, smooth, and more resistant to skin dryness. This lotion contains shea butter, vitamin E, and vitamin B3. The Olay Quench Ultra Moisture costs between 4,000 to 5,000 naira, which is about $11 to $14. The next lotion on my list is the Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion. The Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion transforms your dry skin into a deeply moisturized and noticeably smoother skin. It also provides 48-hour hydration, leaving your skin nicely fragranced with its irresistible smell of cocoa. This lotion is non-greasy. It melts gently into your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and moisturized after just one application. The Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion costs between 2,500 to 3,500 naira, which is about $7 to $10. The last but not the least today on my list is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This is a very popular lotion among people who are dark-skinned or caramel skin tone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now by clicking on the red button below. Thank you. So the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula is specially formulated to help smoothing and relieve dry skin. It absorbs quickly and creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture for up to 24 hours. This lotion also contains vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and imperfections on the skin, giving you a more even skin tone. This lotion is also ideal for eczema-prone skin and helps to smoothen marks and scars. This lotion costs between 3,500 to 4,500 naira, which is about $10 to $12. All the lotions I reviewed here today are all suitable for dark skin to caramel skin tone ladies. However, like I always say, if you want to get results, please endeavor to exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week. That is the only way you can be able to get the benefits that these lotions provide. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.